So think about it. And I'm a very practical person. Just baat hi ho ke main cheez start karu no. So then I went to Nilufar and I said, Nilufar, Danish and I were thinking of, taking it on a bigger platform where we engage with people from different backgrounds, but through the art community. And she was my biggest support at that time, and she encouraged me to go ahead with it. लेकिन फिर सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है, एक मैं अकेले क्या कर लूँगी. सो फिर क्या होता है, आप कहते हैं ना अपना नेटवर्क आप स्ट्रॉन्ग करो. तो मैंने कहा नेटवर्क स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए सबसे पहले अपने घर में देखो. तो सबसे पहले तो मैंने अपनी मियाँ को पकड़ा, बिकॉज ए ग्रेट ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर एंड अ ग्रेट सपोर्ट. देन आई सेड आई नीड टू मेक दिस अ बिग प्लेटफॉर्म. And then can you go to the next? And then I again, so that's my husband, who was the first one whom I called. And then Tazeen Hussain and Sobia, we've been childhood friends. We've been together since grade six. And although we never planned to become professors, I don't know how all three of us ended up becoming professors. So Sobia is an associate dean in the Valencia colleges in US. Tazeen is at Habib University, also acting. I've also been a professor. My husband is a professor, and I now needed somebody for fashion and textiles because I can't do everything. So Tazeen looks after graphic design and design. Danish looks over the overall design of the website. Sobia looks after interdisciplinary the culture and communities. And Seher was my brother's friend who had happened to come to my place a couple of months before. And I remembered her because I love making connections. And she had recently done her PhD from the Royal College of Arts. And right now she's currently a fellow researcher at Central St. Martin's. So I connected with them. We started having a lot of discussions in order to make this sustainable. So the first thing to make it sustainable was not to go into print, but to keep it digital so we have a greater reach and we're able to reach out to people. सो हमने फिर इसके ऊपर काफ़ी सोचा बिकॉज ऐसा भी मेरी नीलोफर से कुछ दिन पहले भी बात हुई थी. सो one of my editors suggested why don't we turn this into a peer review. और हमें ये था कि peer, and Nilofer said that may not be a good idea because फिर वो writing बहुत dense हो जाती है and then you lose out on those connections which you would otherwise make with students. जो पूरा purpose of setting up this platform was to engage in critical dialogue in art, design, and cultural humanities. So we wanted to reach out to people in a very simple language, but also intellectual at the same way, and also having them connect with people. So, for example, Nilofer spoke about La Jamia, Karachi La Jamia. Uske upar we actually have covered an entire essay is written on that. And what we try to do in our pieces is to make it them very interactive. So we have hyperlinks क्योंकि अब हमें ये पता है कि आजकल it's not just about the current generation, it's also us. We cannot for a very long time concentrate on reading. और अब तो आपको पता है हम वीडियोस भी जब लगाते हैं तो फर्स्ट थिंग वी डू इज देखते हैं कितनी लेंथ है. पहले हम 15-20 आधा पौना घंटे का काम मजे में देख लेते थे. अब होता है द मिनट माय सन वांट्स टू शो मी समथिंग द फर्स्ट थिंग आई डू इज आई क्लिक ऑन दैट थिंग एंड सी कितनी लंबी है. So that patience is also very involved. So how do we connect with the youth? How do we connect with the scholars? How do we connect with literary figures and engage in scholarship all across the region? So then we decided to set up the Karachi Collective, which basically addresses a critical dialogue within Karachi, Pakistan, South Asia, and also the diaspora. But we do not want to limit it to these places as well. And अभी कल परसों ही I came across Zain Mustafa's comment where he said, "Why are we calling ourselves South Asia? We are not South Asians. This is not what we call ourselves. This is what the West wants us to call. We are the people of the Delta. We are the people of the Indus." So I think we need to revisit these things and be using this platform to kind of make way and pave way to develop this. Unfortunately, जिस तरीके से हम लोगों से मुखातिब होते हैं प्रोफेशनली इट्स ऑलवेज इंग्लिश, जबकि घर में हम उर्दू में बात कर रहे होते हैं. बट आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ फॉर्मल थिंग. बट वी आर ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू एंगेज इन वी ऑल्सो हैव अ सेक्शन कॉल्ड the Karachi Collective, TKC Urdu. We haven't populated it as yet, but we're working towards it. So the purpose of setting up this was to kind of reach out to a lot of writers, especially new ones who are fresh graduates. I work with them. We sometimes spend about 3 to 4 months per piece, but really spend time on researching. और research में सबसे important चीज़ जो होती है, you make those connections. You kind of ground yourself into that cultural understanding. And I think for me, it's very important that we engage with the youth because we will otherwise lose out to them. We will otherwise disconnect with them. Can you go on to the next slide? And then go on to the next. डॉक्टर अनीला नईम के साथ हम लोग कर रहे हैं मंचर लेक पे. शी इज डूइंग अ पीस ऑन द बोट पीपल ऑफ मंचर लेक. सो वी आर नाउ डॉक्यूमेंटिंग इट बिकॉज ये चीज़ें कहाँ चली जाती हैं. ये लोग ये प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हैं, दे ब्रिलियंट, then they get lost somewhere. So we have kind of open sourced archive for people to get in touch with all of these.